Hey there, everyone. I'm giving you an update on the email situation that I spoke with you about. Let's see, how many days ago was it? It was on March 12th, so 3 days ago. I'm going to give you a view of my Gmail account. Keep in mind, I do not delete any of my emails. I keep them, so I should have about 34,000. I don't have 34,000. I have 1,832 in my inbox. On top of that, if you compare it to the first number that I gave in the last video, you'll see that there's only a difference of 2 between the number I just showed and the number I showed in the first video, and it's 3 days later. Here is an inbox on the 14th. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sorry, I got that a little too close for you. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 19, 20, 21, 21 emails in my inbox. So that doesn't include Saturday or Friday either. So my question is where are all the emails going? Or better yet, not where are they going, because I know the emails are coming to me. Why does it tell me I only have 1,834 instead of 1,850? Because that would make sense. I reported my Gmail being hacked into with the IC3 portal, a division of the FBI, because although the police department does have online reporting for it, I've not gotten any help from them as far as ending the relentless harassment. You know, some of it is a lot to bear. But when this kind of stuff keeps happening again and again and again, and you really don't have any protection against it because of the technology used, passwords are no good. People have immediate access by using RNM technology. So if I think of a new password to use for my Gmail account, that means that the people on the receiving end immediately have access to whatever I'm trying to protect with a password. This is no good. This should be stopped. if we can. And I think if we work together, that we can.